Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is John Jenkins, and I'm going to show you my latest Python programs. So, there we go, right here. So, here's Pygame 1, and so this is just a basic game. So, uh, attack, select 1 for attack, 2 for defend, 3 for use item, and 4 for escape. So you pick one. Let's say I want to defend. I pick 2 for defend, and it says you have just defended. And then you hit enter again, and the program closes. But for Pygame 2, you have the same thing. So it says attack, defend, use item, or escape. So I'm going to put number 3, use item. And it's going to say press enter. And it says you have just used your item. And then it says press enter again. So then it goes back to the basic selection. So it says attack, defend, or use item, escape. This time I'm going to select attack number 1. Okay. Now it says you have just attacked. Press enter, and it just goes on in a loop like that. Ideally, you would have it where the screen refreshes so that you don't have this long list of text on the screen. But for right now, this is what I'm doing. And yeah, so let's go ahead and show you. So in Pygame 1, the first game I showed you, there's no functions. It's just a bunch of if statements, elif statements, and an input statement at the end. So here's the original instructions: 1 to attack, 2 to defend, 3 to use item, and 4 to escape. And then you have this if elif statement. So for each one that you choose, I wish I probably should use a switch for this one, but I forgot how to do a switch in Python. And let's go on ahead and open up Pygame 2. And now with this one, I have these neat little functions. So I call with this function call right here, I'm calling this function. And this function right here goes through the instructions of the game. And then down here, it calls this function up here. So the reason I did it this way is that oftentimes the program will not, the executable will not read the entire program before executing it. So a lot of times what will happen is that if I put def start up here and make choice down here, then if I'm calling make choice up here, but make choice is defined down here, in that instance I might get the error that where it's saying that the function doesn't exist. The same thing with the original function call. If this function call is all the way up here and def start is defined all the way down here and it has not loaded into the program yet, then I can have that problem where it's saying that the function doesn't exist. So that's all I wanted to show you. For now, I'm going to be doing more advanced games in Python in the future. And yeah, so yeah, that's all I wanted to show you, and goodbye.